In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to distribute rows and columns in tables in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a project or simply organizing information, formatting your tables effectively can go a long way toward enhancing clarity and overall readability. Let's break down these simple steps that will help you achieve a polished look for your documents. First things first, you'll need to click inside the table you wish to adjust. This might seem straightforward, but it's worth mentioning that this step is crucial because it ensures the following actions are applied to the correct table. Once you've clicked inside the table, you'll notice that the table selection is activated, meaning it's ready for modifications. Next, you'll want to right-click anywhere within the table. This action will open a context menu, offering you various options tailored to table adjustments and more. If you're using a trackpad, the right click is usually achieved by clicking with two fingers simultaneously. A mouse with two buttons will, of course, have a dedicated right-click button. Once this table menu has appeared, you will have two choices depending on what you're aiming to achieve. If aligning heights is your goal, select Distribute Rows. This nifty feature automatically resizes each row within your selected table to the same height. It's particularly useful when you want a uniform look, especially if you've been adding different amounts of text to each row and your table starts to look a bit haphazard. Consistent row sizes can make your data look more professional and organized. On the other hand, if you're looking to even out the width of your columns, you should choose Distribute Columns. This option adjusts each column to an identical width throughout your table. This is especially handy when you have varying data lengths in each column and want to ensure that everything lines up neatly. Equal column widths can make your table not only look better, but also help guide readers' eyes across your data smoothly. One thing to keep in mind is that these actions distribute all the rows or columns equally within the constraints of your table's overall width or height. So, if your table spans the entire page width, for example, selecting Distribute Columns will divide that space evenly among all columns. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to distribute rows and columns in your tables within Google Docs. This simple yet effective tool keeps your documents looking tidy and professional. Remember, a well-formatted table can make a significant impact on how your content is absorbed. Thanks for tuning in, and happy documenting.